What's up, my beautiful people? Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to wait until the rest of the squad gets on. Appreciate you guys tuning in. So what I'm about to share with you guys today is some secrets that I know in reference to taxes for everyone that is part of a MLM company, a network marketing company, or even a home-based business. It doesn't have to be MLM. It doesn't have to be network marketing. I mean, you could be a barber from home. The idea is that you do it from home, whether you're doing e-commerce, eBay, selling stuff on 5 miles. But one of the ones that are really popular is MLM network marketing. So guys, tune in, share this with your teams, because I promise you guys, with what I'm gonna share with you, it is one of the only reasons why you should join MLM. Besides it being an amazing product, besides you doing something new, you learning a skill set, just for the tax breaks alone, I promise you that you're gonna see your money back double than what you paid to join an MLM company. And even if you made no money in that MLM company, even if you didn't grow that organization, even if probably you just bought a product one time, only if you bought the product one time and you kept your membership open all year, you're going to see these huge tax breaks. And I'm going to show you guys live off my program. I don't know if you guys know, but I've been a tax consultant for a little bit over 3 years, and I've helped hundreds of people that have saved thousands of dollars on their taxes. And I've took them from having a $3,000 tax return all the way up sometimes to $7,000. So think about that, guys. Just because they joined a home-based business, they made $4,000 more. So, I mean, even if you made no money in your MLM company, in your network marketing company, even if you didn't purchase any of the products, even if you didn't make any money or grew your organization, guys, I'm telling you, at the end of the year, you're gonna notice. Okay, if you come to a consultant like me, a tax consultant like me, or you go to any other tax consultant, but make sure that you tell them what I'm about to teach you right now. Make sure that they apply and implement these tax deductions. Okay, you're gonna notice, okay, the difference in your tax return. Sometimes it'll be by thousands, sometimes it'll be by, by 3,000, it'll be by hundreds, or whatever the case may be. But make sure you let your tax consultant know that you are a home-based business owner, that you work in an MLM company. Let them know that you're part of an MLM company. Let them know that that you joined and paid for a subscription, for a membership to become an IBO. Let them know that you are part of Amway, Herbalife, Kaizen, Wealth Generators. Let them know that you are a part of Kangen. Let them know that you're a part of TLC, Viva. Let them know that you're a part of an MLM company, because if you don't let your tax consultant know, and that's the problem, you go to an H&R Block and you think that because you didn't work your business and you didn't recruit anybody and you didn't sign up anybody that you don't get these tax deductions. You're wrong. As soon as you signed up and you became an IBO of any network marketing company, any MLM company, as soon as you signed that dotted line, as soon as you made that payment, you are now an IBO owner. You are now a home-based business owner. You are now entitled for huge tax breaks. Okay? So even if you probably just signed up for like 4 months, guess what, guys? You are still entitled to tax breaks. It just needs to be done accurately and properly, okay? And I'm letting you guys know, okay? Whether you want to do MLM or not, you would be silly to not join an MLM company for the tax breaks. If you are going to be an employee, okay, whether you're getting paid $30,000 a year, whether you're getting paid hundreds of thousands of dollars a year at your job, okay? If you're an executive at your job, you should join a home-based business, because, guys, the more money you make, the more taxes they take out. I have friends, I have clients that make $150,000, $200,000 a year. Guess how much taxes they take out? Close to $20,000. Guess how much I get them back? I get them back a lot of that money back. But if they was never a part of a home-based business, Uncle Sam is going to be collecting all that money. Is that fair? No. So I'm going to share with you guys live, okay, on what those tax breaks are. So these are a few of those tax breaks right here, okay? Check them out. See, you're gonna use these stuff whether you join a MLM or not. You're gonna use your cell phone. You're gonna have to pay for internet. You're gonna have to buy a new computer. You're gonna have office supplies like paper. You're gonna have to travel, okay? Travel meals, okay? Business travel, okay? Professional wardrobe upgrade. So if you gotta do a presentation, if you gotta go to a presentation and you live in New York and you gotta go to Texas, that is travel. All the meals that you eat, travel meals, okay? Professional wardrobe upgrade. So if you gotta buy a suit and a tie, okay? If you need to buy a nice watch, this is professional wardrobe upgrade. Dry cleaning. You're going to pay for dry cleaning anyway, okay? Car truck expense, mileage. Okay, Cassandra, so if you don't save your receipts, I'm going to share with you guys something where one, you could keep a ledger, and two, okay, you can actually download an app where you could keep track of all your expenditures. You could take a picture of your receipt, categorize it, it gets stored in that cloud, and at the end of the year, you send this off to a person like me. Okay, health insurance. Very important because you're a home-based business owner, okay, you have to get your own insurance. This is a tax write-off. Okay, so this is your home office, rent. So this space right here that I have in my house, okay, is calculated as a business write-off. This rent, okay, the rent that I pay here, okay, gets divided by the square footage of my office, and that's a tax write-off. The mortgage is a tax write-off. Your real estate taxes is a tax write-off. The utilities you pay, gas and electric, water, garbage collection, alarm system, landline. Are you not going to pay for this stuff anyway? In order for you to live, you need a cell phone. In order for you to live, you need to do some dry cleaning, okay, whether you work at a job or not. You got a car or a truck expense. You're driving miles, right? So what are you guys doing? These are all business deductible expenses. You already incur this stuff. Are you not paying for gas and electric? It would be silly for you not to be a part of a home-based business so you could write this off. See, if you just had a W-2 and you worked a regular job, this is not a write-off because you're just an employee. Okay? Alarm system, landline, homeowner's insurance, house cleaning. Your house cleaning is now a tax write-off because guess what? You have to do home events and you got to keep your place nice and clean if clients are met here. So if I have a tax client that comes in my house, this is now a tax write-off. If I am part of an MLM company, I'm having meetings in my house, this is now a tax write-off. Cassandra, I'm actually going to teach you how to keep track of everything, and I'm going to show you guys some apps, okay? Repairs and maintenance. Guys, the repairs and maintenance in your house are now tax write-offs because without your house, you cannot have a meeting. Now, repairs on your car and truck are a tax write-off now because if you didn't have your car or truck, guess what? You cannot meet with your clients. Now, guys, ladies and gentlemen, your travel. It doesn't matter if you live in New York and you go visit your grandma in Florida and you mention your business one time to grandma, this is now a travel, business travel. You just have to mention. I don't know about UK, boss, but I know it's very similar. Now, every time that you go out to eat with your girls or your friends or you go have beer, guys, these are now write-offs as long as you talk about your business. Mention your business once. If you're part of Herbalife, just mention Herbalife once. If you're part of Wealth Generators, mention Wealth Generators once. If you're part of Visalis, mention Visalis. And that now is a write-off. Okay, so these are already things that you're going to incur on your everyday basis, whether or not you get started in network marketing MLM. Would it be smart for you to get started in a low home-based business? Keep the IBO open, maybe order your products once or twice, keep your membership active, and then at the end of the year, make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 more? Absolutely, guys. And I'm going to teach you how we do that, okay? So I wanted to share this right here. There's another one. Tax advantages of a home-based business. The average American family can get up to $5,000 back on their taxes simply by documenting their home-based business expenses, okay? So like I said, example of deductible expenses, mileage, computer, office supplies, utilities, training expenses. Okay, so if you go to trainings, this is all a tax write-off. Okay, property taxes, homeowners insurance, household maintenance, entertainment, dining out, your phone, your cell. Guys, take advantage of all this stuff. Now, what I'm about to share with you guys is the software that I use, okay, to actually do my clients' taxes. So here it is, okay? We're going to go ahead and get into here, okay? I was checking out the weather. Give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Let's log in. Okay. Okay. You guys can't look at my password though. Bear with me, guys. I'm going to show you live how this works. Okay. So this is it. Okay. We're going to start a new one. Okay. So check this out. Let's just put a fake social. Okay. Let's put a fake social. Okay. We're going to start a brand new return. Like this is one of my clients. Okay. I want to show you guys how this works. Okay. Let's have some fun here. All right. Okay, so let's put the date of birth, 01/01/1985, okay? Let's put the name, let's just do Ivan Paychecks, okay? For kicks and giggles, okay? All right, so bear with me, guys. Occupation, I'm going to put that I'm a manager, all right? I'm a sales manager, and I'm going to say that I work at Toyota, okay? So I'm going to file single, okay? Because I'm not married and I have no kids, okay? So here it is. We're just going to do that really quick. Now I'm going to put my address. Okay. Let's just put a fake address here. 123 4th Street. Okay. I do live in Longwood, Florida now. Okay. Boom. Longwood, Florida, right? Boom. So now we're going to add, guys, check this out. Most of you guys have a job. You guys have a W-2, right? So here's a W-2. You guys got a W-2. I'm going to go ahead and input a W-2, a fake. I'm going to say that I work at Nissan. No, you know what? I'm going to say that I work at the Lambo dealership, okay? At the Lambo dealership, okay? I got my W-2. I gave it to my accountant, and I'm saying, okay, this year I sold a lot of cars. I'm just going to go high because, I make, the idea is to make 6 figures and up at a job, okay? So let's just say, like, let's keep it average. Let's keep it average. Let's just say I made $75,000 this year, okay? Now, how much did I pay on taxes, okay? So, like, let's say I paid 10% is about $7,000. Let's say I paid about $10,000 in taxes, okay? Guess what, guys? I owe the IRS $2,000, okay? They're not happy with my $10,000 tax withheld. They don't like that. They're like, yo, buddy, you know what? You were supposed to pay, instead of $10,000, you gotta pay me an extra $2,000 because you were supposed to pay $12,000 and change on your taxes. So I'm gonna say, wait, hold on, IRS, hold on, Uncle Sam. Something that you don't know is that I'm part of a home-based business. So what I'm gonna do over here, okay? I'm gonna put that. You know what? Guess what? I was in direct sales right here. I was in direct sales. Hold up, Mr. Uncle Sam. Hold on, Mr. Uncle Sam. I was in direct sales. Yes, sir. Yes, I was. Okay. I believe in my product and I tried to launch my business. Okay. And what's the name of the business? Let's just say I joined Kaizen. Kaizen. Okay. And I'm an IBO for Kaizen. Okay. Well, And Uncle Sam is going to say, okay, did you make any money? No, I didn't make any money with Kaizen. Why didn't you make any money with Kaizen? Well, I've been trying, which is not true because I'm making money with Kaizen. But I'm just saying for kicks and giggles, right? Because honestly, 98% of people in network marketing don't make money. I say it loud and clear. It's the freaking truth. Why? Because people aren't focused. But for this purpose, for tax purposes, okay, I'm going to tell, the IRS, you know what? I did make one time $150. I made $150, okay? I made $150, all right? See right here, gross receipt of sales. I made $150, but I was able to calculate all my expenses, okay? So what are your expenses, Ivan? Well, guess what? I spent about $676 on advertising. You know, I bought my flyers, I bought business cards. I got a few logos designs, okay? Then I'm gonna say, you know what? In my office expense, my office is my house. I'm gonna go ahead and put, I'm gonna put $1,350 right there, okay? Here's the one that I really like, supplies. Supplies that I bought, say right here, machinery and equipment. I had to buy, okay, a computer that cost me about $1,500, okay? And then I had to buy a projector that cost me about $321, okay? And then I had to do some repairs to my car. It cost me about $432, okay? I got about travel. I spent this year about $4,298. Meals, I eat out all the time. I take my people out all the time. My meals are going to be about $3,180. Okay, utilities, I spent about $1,100, okay? All right, now, how many miles did I drive, okay? I drove about, let's say 12,000 miles this year, and I had to visit my clients. I had to visit everybody because I was really trying to move this business. I loved it. You know, I just try to share with everybody, and approximately 12,000 miles, 379 miles I drove, okay? And here's another one. We're going to go back down here and we're going to say, okay, cell phone. Okay, cell phone. Okay, cell phone. Okay, my cell phone, I spent about $1,500, $63. And then, and on my membership, okay, I paid about $689 this year. Okay, so I'm going to save this math. Look what happens now, guys. Boom. I went from negative to positive. I went from negative to positive, guys. Did you guys see that right there? Did you guys just see that right there in live, full effect, that instead of owing $3,000, I mean, instead of owing $2,000, now they're refunding me $3,000. I can't lie about this. I can't lie. This is a professional tax software, okay? Let me bring this to you guys over here. Let me bring this to you guys over here from some of you guys that say, you know what, Ivan? I didn't make $75,000. You know what? Most people make about $37,896. Okay? Okay? And guess what? You only paid about $4,000 in taxes. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and take out the form, okay? I'm going to take out the form, remove the form, okay? And guess what? I'm leaving it just as is. Look at your refund. This is a single male like myself, no kids, okay? I made $37,896 and I paid $4,000 on taxes. My refund is only $335. Am I going to be happy? Do you think I could afford, I'd be happy about my tax refund? No. But because I joined, let's just say once again, let's go ahead and add a form. Let's go ahead and add that I did, once again, a direct sales company, okay? I did direct sales company, okay? Give me a second. 454390, okay? Bear with me. Now, let's just say I did Amway. Everybody knows Amway. I did Amway. I'm an Amway IBO. And you know what? I made some money in Amway. I made about $809. Boom. I went, look at this. No expenses, but just because I had a home-based business and I made some money, you would think that I would owe. But it dropped. Oh, it's still, okay, so it dropped my refund. I'm sorry, guys, I apologize. It dropped my refund from $300, okay, to $100. But it's because I made $800 on my Amway business. But guess what? Once again, I spend about $925 on flyers, on business cards, okay, on banners, on my Facebook banners. And you know what? My office expense, okay, I pay about $1,200 of office. I mean, of my house. My house costs $1,200. My office is 1/10 of my house. So you times 1,200 by 12, and then you divide it by 10, okay? That's your number. So let's just say your office expense for kicks and giggles is $300, okay? Your office supplies, you bought paper, you bought pads, you bought cameras, you bought printers, you bought computers, you bought pens, you bought, what is this though? All right, enough of that. All right, you bought all this, okay? You got yourself some staplers, you got yourself some stuff, you got yourself book bags, okay? You got yourself some cologne, some watches, a lamp, okay? You got yourself some whiskey, okay? Okay, you got yourself some sticky pads, okay? All right, so in supplies to do my business, because without any of this, I can't do my business. Without my cologne, without my book bag, I can't do my business. Without my Chuck Taylors, I can't do my business. Without that, without my stand, I can't do business. Without my GoPro, I can't do my business, okay? Without this battery, I can't do my business, okay? Without this, I can't do my business, my large little speaker, okay? All right? Without my chargers, I can't do my business. So, in supplies, I spent about $2,150. On machinery, I spent about $3,500, okay? On other properties, miscellaneous stuff, I paid like $500. On travel, okay, guys, look at this. Travel, meals, and entertainment. Travel, meals, and entertainment. Travel, I spent about $4,250. On meals, I spent about another $3,560. On utilities, I spent about $100 every single month, plus the internet, $160 times 10 is 1,600 times 12. Let's just say let's just say 1,750. Okay. Then I drove about 0101 since 2016. I've been working the business, and I drove about 14,000 miles. Okay. And then once again, my cell phone bill is about $120 a month. So 120 times 12, how much is that? How much is a cell phone? 120 times 12. You're looking at, come on, give it to me, guys. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. All right, let's just say $1,400. Okay. My membership for Amway, okay, was one time, let's just say $120. Membership for Amway was a one-time $120. Okay. Bam. Guess what's going to happen now? Look at my freaking refund. I went from $300 to $3,000. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you meaning to tell me, okay, that it's not worth it to be part of a network marketing company? I mean, it's right here, guys. So can you imagine a family that has two incomes coming in, kids, the whole nine? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. So now I want to put this in perspective. What if you join a network marketing company where one, you get education, two, or you get a product and service that you like? They got vitamins, they got shakes, you could lose weight, they got tea. Okay? There's some, like the one I'm a part of, it makes your money work for you. So literally, the membership ends up getting waived. Okay? You could get another company, you could get some pills, you could get some shakes, okay? And buy them once a month. You could get some cleaning, some natural cleaning supplies, non-toxic, okay? Some MLM companies that work, they're giving out good water, good teas, good vitamins, good shakes, great education, Forex education, financial education, okay? Do it. Get involved in it. Get started. Just join the IBO. Listen, guys, if you do not want to be a salesperson, if you don't want to grow the business or grow the team, be a part of it so you are under the umbrella of being a home-based business owner. You will not lose. I just showed to you in different situations. I can even show you in a situation where you made no money. In a W-2, you made no money and you have a kid. And just because you made some money as a home-based business owner, you're now going to get child credit. You get child credit and because of the home-based business. And you made no money in a W-2, but because you made money in a home-based business, now you qualify to get your child credit. Because if you made no money at all, you will not get child credit. You need to understand that the United States tax code, the IRS, this country was funded by entrepreneurs. They were not workers. They were not workers. The people that came to this country, okay, our founding fathers were entrepreneurs. They were not employees. W-2s didn't exist then. So when they created the tax laws, okay, it was benefiting business owners. And because a network, once you join a network marketing company, any network marketing company, as long as you just paid that subscription, as long as you have your website, as long as you have your IBO number, as long as you are underneath a legitimate MLM network marketing company, you are now a home-based business owner by law, and you get all these tax breaks. So once again, I repeat, you didn't have to make tons of money in the network marketing company to qualify for this. You didn't have to have an organization as long as you tried, which 100% of the people that join MLM try. Some of you guys, you do good. Some of you guys, you don't. It's okay. But you will get thousands back at the end of the year. So your membership is literally waived. You're part of something. You're getting some type of education. You're networking with other people. You're learning something new. And you're getting thousands back at the end of the year. It just makes sense. It's a no-brainer. And you must ask yourself, what's the reason why I do this, guys? I'm a tax consultant. I've helped dozens of people already this year on their taxes. I'll be more than happy to consult with you guys. Give me a call. I know this stuff like the back of my hand. Why? Because I've been an entrepreneur since 17. Okay, I'm 31 now. I've been part of MLM for the past 5 years. You guys know my credentials. If you guys don't know my credentials, you know, I've been a corporate trainer for companies before. I've been a consultant for companies before. I've been the top leader of consultants before. I've been part of the 2% that actually made hundreds of thousands of dollars in this network marketing niche. And this is why I decided to do taxes, because I had hundreds of friends, thousands of friends that needed help, that had W-2s, that had all these tax breaks, but every time they went to an H&R block or they don't know, because they never did MLM. They didn't do an MLM. They don't know these forms. They don't know these tax write-offs. They don't know it. They don't know how to put it together. Okay? So when you come to me, guys, my stuff is 100% guaranteed. We have auto protection on every single one of my returns, so everybody's secured. And guys, just take advantage. Like this year, you're starting 2017. Join an MLM company. I'm not telling you to join the one I'm a part of. Hey, when I consult with you, you tell me what you like. If you like makeup, I'll tell you to go to Mary Kay. If you like shakes, I tell you to go to Herbalife. If you like the tea, I'll tell you to go to Viva, or I'll tell you to go to TLC. And I got friends in every single one of these industries, okay? If you want your money to work for you, hey, I got that one right there. Okay, my company gives people 20 to 30% ROI on their money every single month based on Forex, okay? And that's been our track record so far. If you want to do what other one? If you want to drink some good water, I got a company that I bought a machine for that gives you alkaline water. I am a believer in MLM because they give better products than Costco, than BJ's, than Walmart. They give better products, better natural, direct from the factory. Okay. In the company that I'm a part of, we give a product that normally costs thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. We give it for hundreds, pennies on the dollar. So just join it. and this is for you guys that are a part of an MLM. This is for everyone, but I want to break this down. It's for those guys that joined MLM and made no money, okay? And thought that there was no point of this. No, there is. I just showed you, because you'll make thousands of dollars back and I'll cover your membership expense and some, okay? And then I know that you learned by being a part of an MLM company, because the sales training, the marketing training, the relationships that you build are priceless, okay? And this is also for those that never wanted to join an MLM company because you're like, I don't want to do sales. I don't want this whole upline, downline, sideline, CEO crap. All these guys do is talk on social media. They're so annoying. They're in my inbox. Listen, just pick something that you like, sign up, become an IBO, order the product, keep it in stock once in a while, keep your membership active, keep track of your receipts. Everybody should keep track of the receipts, okay? There's an app called TaxBot. There's also an app called IQ Mileage. There's also an app called, we'll Google it right now, right in front of your face. You download this app and you keep track of your receipts. Let's Google it right now. Let's Google it right now. So this is the one that I truly suggest that you guys buy. It's a little pricey, okay? But I like it, okay? I like it because check this out. TaxBot. It's called TaxBot, okay? Get this one, okay? I'm actually gonna become affiliated with these guys so I can get this to you guys cheaper, okay? So make tax savings, free reports, okay? And this literally is like your shoebox, okay? This is IRS compliant, you know, securely imports everything, okay? It's audit safe reports, okay? And then it's made by this guy named Sandy Botkin. He's a former IRS auditor. So he's been a tax consultant for years, okay? Now, there's also some ones that are, let me show you. Let's go free. Let's type it in. Free, what are we going to call it? Free receipt, free receipt, okay? Receipt scanner app. Let's see. Bam. Let's see. 7 of the best scan and track manage receipts. Okay. Find which one you like. There's tons of them. Okay. All right. Hold on one second. Let's see. If Evernote. I mean, I don't even know these. I mean, receipt made. Okay. Try to find one that tracks your mileage, guys. Try to find one that tracks your mileage. That not only tracks your receipts, but tracks your mileage, okay? Try to find one of those, okay? I like using TaxBot, but if you could find a free one, go ahead and do it. Do your research. There's out there, but make sure you get one that tracks your receipts and tracks your mileage, guys, because for every mile that you drive, you're getting money back. Just track it. It tracks you GPSly, and it knows when you're in the car and you're moving. So, guys, that's it. I wanted to share this stuff with you guys because it's amazing. I love MLM. MLM has taken me all over the world. MLM, I've met amazing CEOs. I met amazing leaders. I met amazing IBOs. I met amazing partners. I'm going to read these things right now. Do you have to have proof? You must keep... Okay, so let me see these things. Bruh. Okay, so you must keep up with your receipts by an app at least or physically to have proof of your expense. So, yes, you have to have proof. However, you and I can work on a ledger, and that is also valid. Having a ledger, okay, because if it's your first or second year actually filing and doing a home-based business tax write-off, they give you leniency because they know that you're just learning the business. So you could create a manual ledger, okay, month to month, okay, add it up, and you can use that. But yes, you have to not have a physical receipt your first 2 years. You can actually have a handwritten ledger, something like this. Like, let me show you this, okay? So you do January, okay? You could do cell phone, okay? And you could do 120 bucks, okay? Then you could do meals. I spent about $200 on meals, so on and so forth. And you could do this ledger 2016, okay? And then you do February, January, February, March. You can get away with this your first year, first or second year, and I'll explain this to you if you guys give me a call, okay? So you can do that. But moving forward to be more professional, please buy one of these apps, okay? They're like one-time fee. Some of them are free. You just got to do some research, okay? Let me see what else. Do you have the proof of every receipt on everything you spend? And when do you have to join the business? For example, you join the MLM 2 months before the end of the year. Yes, you can actually, you could do that. You could join 2 months before the year ends. And then, but the thing is that you want to always have an active IBO for any company. So if it is, you're doing it your first year, you're not going to raise any red flags. But if you're doing this for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, come on, guys. Come, there's a way to do all this stuff. And I would rather you guys call me personally with these questions, okay? And then I'll answer them. That's not a problem. So just give me a call. You could call me on my phone, or you could send me a message on Facebook, send me a text, or you could call me on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions to you, because they get a little tricky and I don't want to give everybody a generic answer, okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's 2017. In order for things to change, you must change. Please stop just getting 1,000, 600, 700, 3,000. Guys, get more back on your taxes. You got to understand, the system plays you every single day. You are a number just for the system. It is time that you play the same game that the system plays. This is why I ended up joining a company that's teaching me how to play the system, how to make my money work for me, just like the banks do, just like institutions do. All right? So guys, start following what the rich people do. Why do you think Donald Trump never wanted to show his tax returns? Duh, because everything he does is a tax write-off. His yachts, his planes, his private security, all that's a tax write-off. That's why he didn't want to show what he made or what he paid. So, you know what? We're home-based business owners now. And if you're not a home-based business owner, sign up tonight, okay? And start tracking your receipts. Because I'm going to show you guys again, if you guys just got started. These are expenses that you're going to incur. Your cell phone, okay? Internet, computer, office supplies, travel meals, professional wardrobe, dry cleaning, car and truck expenses, health insurance, okay? Rent, mortgage, real estate taxes, utilities, gas and electric, water. These are things that you pay every single week, if not every single day, if not every single month. You are liable to pay this in order to exist. Why not use these things to get a tax write-off? Well, that's that, guys. I greatly appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. God bless. Happy New Year. 2017 is going to be an amazing year. Guys, once again, I repeat, in order for things to change, you must change. And I'm going to end it like this, and a mentor always told me this. You cannot expect a different result doing the same things that you've been doing. In order for you to have a different result, you need to change what you're doing. You cannot continue doing the same thing. Point blank and period. Okay? So stop being lazy. Stop being skeptical. Stop being poor-minded, passing over opportunities repeatedly, and get your shit together. Much love and respect. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.